1970s luxury, a unique, especially in classics. It's a 1978 Lincoln Town Car 4-door sedan. Original mile car, a little over 17,000 miles is all in this one. 460 4-barrel underneath the hood, paired up with a C6 automatic transmission. Of course, power steering, power brakes, AC. AC blows cold. Take a look at the bright work. Front bumper, grill surround. Of course, the iconic Lincoln hood ornament. The chrome showing very well on this car. 5C champagne is the exterior color, as well as interior color. We'll get around to the driver's side and check that out a little closer here in a bit. 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan included with the purchase price of this vehicle. And that may be extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. You can call in at 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com is where you can check out probably around 100 pictures of this car online, undersides, interior, engine bay. Riding on Foose wheels. Looks like Vogue tires. The original wheels and wheel covers will go with this car also. They're in the still pictures, check them out. But look at these long panels and how straight they are. Of course, rear wheel drive, and these cars will go down the road extremely nice. Partial vinyl top. Split bench seat up front. And like I said, we'll get around to the driver's side, check it out a little bit closer on the interior also. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation. I also want to hit on a few things as far as service work that was recently done in the last 2-3 years on this car. Obviously, those rims and tires were put on. Also has new mufflers, I should say, tailpipe, resonator. Front brakes were done in 2022. Shocks, fuel tank replaced, as well as filter, battery, and there's miscellaneous receipts that will go with this. There's also some for body, and what it would be is refinishing these inner panels, and I'll send those receipts along with the car. So you can see those filler panels, nice shape. Chrome on the rear, bright work on the rear. Shows very well. And remember, we have an open door policy for third-party inspectors. You want somebody to come take a peek at this car, report back to you, maybe you can't make it due to time or distance, feel free to. We try to represent them as fairly as we can with all the still pictures that are taken, as well as the walk-around video, and then the driving video where you kind of get a bird's eye view, what it's like to ride in the car. So we take a look down this driver's side. Look at those long, straight panels. And really free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches that I've noticed. Let's take a peek at this rear seat while we're checking out this interior. Look at the door panels. Just no real signs of wear whatsoever. Are missing a little cap from the button right here. We see that from time to time. Listen to that door close. They don't sound like that anymore. So this does have power seats, both sides and the front. Of course, power windows, power locks, and again, just look at the lack of any wear, fading, discoloring, like from oils from your arm. There's also pictures of the buck tag in with the still pictures. You're gonna be able to see the door tag in with the still pictures, the bin. If you want to do any decoding, looking at it yourself, feel free to. Look at these plush seats. And again, very little signs of anywhere. And wait till we pop our heads underneath the hood and check out that engine bay. I'm going to show you that at the end of the video too. First, let's start it up. Let's hear it run. Should be good to go here. And there is, I believe to be original miles, 17,100. AM, FM, 8-track. Turn that on a second. We also have, as you can see, CD here. So let's go ahead. We're on FM. So radio is working. Tones front to rear. Bass and treble. Technician that looked at this car did state the AC blows cold. Let's check that out. That is correct. It blows cold and in a hurry. Dash looks good. Let's check out the headliner. Headliner looks good. How's it sound? I guess like you'd expect a stock 1978 460 to sound. Okay, I'm going to pause this a second. As we can see, the headlight doors up there do work. Pop those open. But I got to pause it a second. I'm going to take both hands to get this hood open. Check out that engine bay. Alright, got the hood open. Headlight doors. Hood liner. Pretty clean. Doesn't look like this car's really been driven in much for inclement weather. Look at the original markings still on the engine. Tags. What you'd expect with a low mile car. How clean this engine bay is. Still have original factory markings here. AC has been fitted for the 134A, switch from the R12. Here's that battery disconnect that I mentioned earlier. If you got it in storage, you want to let it set, or in between drives, you can disconnect that battery. 1978 Lincoln Town Car 4-door sedan. Remember, it's going to come with that 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan included in the purchase price. May be extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate. You can do that by calling in 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com is where you can check out all the still pictures. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1978 Lincoln Town Car. Very good condition car. This is an automatic on the column. Factory radio is working. The air conditioning is currently blowing cold. Our fuel gauge is at a quarter of the way on the gauge. There are no other gauges other than the speedometer, which is working well, and we're doing 55 miles an hour. Power is as you would expect from this car. And letting go of the wheel, she stays perfectly straight. This luxurious car is very easy to steer, comfortable, padded leather seats. Our wipers are also working. Power seats, power windows, power mirrors. Very comfortable car. Cruise control also functioning. Our brakes are working well. Corners as you would expect. A 78 Lincoln Town Car to corner. Very luxurious. really a smooth running car. Take a look at all the pictures and read all the details at uniqueclassiccars.com.